Hi, I'm Clayton, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install a Lomanco WhirlyBird turbine vent. Now remember, the Lomanco WhirlyBird is an exhaust vent. And as an exhaust vent, it's only half of your ventilation system. The other half consists of intake. And this needs to be balanced 50-50 for a proper ventilation system. So you want to make certain that in your lower attic area, you have enough intake, the proper intake, to match your exhaust vents. To determine how many WhirlyBirds you need, just use the chart on top of the box. To help with proper emplacement, use the included instructions. If you don't know the pitch of your roof, first thing you need to do is determine that. One way to do that is with the included pitch gauge that's in the WhirlyBird box. To use the pitch gauge, you simply put the roof peak mark at the roof's peak, use a straight edge, and simply read the gauge on the bottom of the straight edge. We can see that this is a 512 pitch roof. Next, we're going to align that pitch number on the WhirlyBird elbow with the mark on the base flashing. Now we're going to use the screws to screw the elbow onto the base while lining up the pre-drilled holes. Next, we need to decide the placement of the WhirlyBird from the roof peak. We want the WhirlyBird as close to the roof peak as possible, but far enough down to where it's not noticeable from the front. When you decide how far down you want to place it, you want to make sure where you're going to place the hole, there's not a rafter. You can do that by tapping and finding where the rafters are and making sure you put the turbine hole in the middle. To mark the hole, use the base as a template, the marker, and mark your hole using the base as your template. Now we just have to cut the hole. After your hole's cut out, you may have to loosen the shingles and also make sure that there's no nails that would get in the way of sliding the base into place. Take your base, make sure the bottom is pointing toward the bottom. And slide the WhirlyBird base into place. You get it in place, you want to secure it at the top, bottom, and sides with roofing nails. With the base installed, you want to now level the top of the elbow by turning it counterclockwise. With the WhirlyBird elbow in place, you take the locking clamp and screw and lock the elbow in place. This next step is very important. Before installing the WhirlyBird head, you want to seal the adjusting seam on the elbow, the seam between the base and the elbow on the inside, and also the locking clamp. Then on the outside, you want to seal each nail head that's exposed. All right, all that's left is to install the WhirlyBird head using the screws and lining up through the pre-drilled holes. Well, that's how easy it is to install your Lomanco WhirlyBird. Remember to match your intake's net-free area to your exhaust vent. And Lomanco has a complete line of intake vents that will help you do just that. If you need more information about Lomanco, check us out at lomanco.com, like us on Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.